Angeles River, which is very little water because we're in a drought. Downtown Los Angeles skyline. City Hall. And the notorious Los Angeles County Jail, where thousands and thousands of people live in disgusting conditions, but they mostly did very bad things. And in the distance is Dodger Stadium, where they have the baseball games. And the old county hospital, which is going to be turned into apartments. And these are apartments for the poorest people, and they're very old and run down, but at least they have a place to live. So they have an aquarium in the train station. Very California. Look at all the fish. Oh, there's an orange Garibaldi. How pretty. We are LA. No loitering. Pretzels. Woo. Little sausage pretzels. Those are good. Ooh. And of course we have Starbucks. Little piano. So they have a public piano here. And the grand hall where you need a ticket to sit down. So this is the grand lobby ticket office area where hundreds of people used to buy their train tickets, but now it is just used for special events, and it costs a pretty penny to rent it, but if you have the money, you can have a party here, a wedding here, and it's very special. Wow. Well, you know, the care court is coming, and then they'll be able to take him into care.
Oh, really?
Yeah, that's coming down the road. Yeah, care court. Yeah, because obviously when he can't take care of himself, we need to help him. Yeah. All right. So this is the problem of riding public transportation in LA, is that the homeless that are mentally ill are very filthy, and it leads to disease that you can catch if you don't have hand sanitizer, and it's very important to keep hygiene good here. Okay. So this is the Los Angeles Metro, our subway.
Welcome to Los Angeles!
And there's lots of crazy people down here. How dirty is it? Let's see. It doesn't look too clean. Oh, look, there's trash. Okay. A lot of dirty people.